Hey my dinos, Sharky Shark here. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Shapes with Sharky Shark. Just wanted to let you know on the bottom where it says show more, you could click the link and you could print out the worksheet so we could do it together. And don't worry if you can't, that's why we're here, so we could do it together. I want to ask my dinos something. What are you fearful of? What scares you? Whoa, those are really fearful. But you know what? I know my dinos are stronger than that. Next time you see your fears, I want you to chomp at them and just chomp them away, okay? Face your fears, dinos. Now onto our worksheet. First, grab any colored crayon and write your name. You're getting so excellent at writing your names, dinos. I could tell every week that it gets better and better. I'm so proud of you. Now that we're done, let's read the directions. It says, help the 3D shape escape from the 2D world. Let's read it one more time. Help the 3D shape escape from the 2D world. Today's shape is a Pentagonal Prism. Are all my dinos ready? First, we're going to color each and every single shape that you see. Today's shapes are the rectangles and the pentagons. Let's color all the rectangles first, and don't worry about coloring outside the lines, dinos. We're going to cut them off anyways. My first rectangle was brown. My second one, I'm going to color purple. What color are you choosing for your rectangles? Whoa, those are great colors. You have such great color palettes, dinos. The next rectangle I'm going to color is lime green. Keep up the great work, dinos. We're halfway done. Now on to the next rectangle. I'm going to color it orange. I like orange. Can anyone tell me a fruit that's the color orange? Did someone say orange? That's right. Now the next rectangle, I chose blue. I just love blue. Sharky is blue. Great job, dinos. Now we're going to color the pentagons on the right and the left side. I'm coloring the first one a violet. What color are you coloring? Oh, I love that color. And the next pentagon I'm going to color is going to be gold. Let's see how gold looks. Ooh. Now that we finished, let's read the next directions. It says, cut out the shape and build it using glue or tape. Let's read it one more time. Cut out the shape and build it using glue or tape. We're going to need a pair of scissors for this, okay, dinos? But make sure you have safety scissors. If not, be very careful or have an adult help you. Now let's enjoy the sound of cutting paper. Great job, Dinos. That turned out really well. Now let's fold all the lines you can see. Let's start with the side tabs, the little white ones that you see, all the way across, okay? Now everything on this side you're going to fold down. You're doing great, Dinos. Remember, there's no mistakes. If you need help, just ask. Now on to the next side, okay, Dinos? I'm going to push down every single side tab. Last one, great job. Now all the lines you see on the rectangle, we're going to fold down, okay? You're almost there. Keep working on it. You're doing amazing, Dinos. Nothing could stop you now. And there you go. Now, hold the color side down and the white paper up and connect the ends. Grab a piece of tape and tape it. Steady hands, Dinos. If you feel stress, take a deep breath in and exhale out. Now, you can see the tabs right there. It's almost like a lid. Close down the Pentagon and tape it to each corner. Wow, Dinos, your brain must be working hard. You figured that out so quick. And that's right, you are so calm during this problem. Great job. Okay, last side of the Pentagon on this side. And now we move on to the other end. Same thing, press the lid down, which is a pentagon, and tape each corner. Soon we'll see what the Pentagonal Prism looks like. Are you ready, Dinos? Oh, Sharky needs to stay calm. We're not done yet. My Dinos are superstars. You solved the problem so quick. Here's the last piece of tape, and here's a Pentagonal Prism. Check out all the colors, Dinos. Did you think it would look like this? I'm so proud of my Dinos. At first I thought it was going to be hard, but just having you do it with me, I knew we could do it together, as a team. I'll see you next week, Dinos.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!